video with all your friends, share this video worldwide, because honestly this is the best. I just want to remind you of the videos being circulating around Akram Jum'ah Mosque. This is such a beautiful, oh my god, look at this. You see the Ma'zana, you see the Hilal. Subhanallah, what a beautiful scene. Subhanallah. Oh wow, that's so capturing. This is an amazing moment, guys. Subhanallah. So please guys, help me to share this video. We want to see a police officer from the RCMP, from the Royal Canadian Mounted performing Azan, and this is really a very symbolic moment in our history, in Canadian history, to see a Muslim officer performing Azan in the Ramadan. So let alone doing the Azan, performing Azan, it's publicly, it's a blessing that we were granted by our great city of Calgary. And thanks for all Calgarian, thanks for all the Calgarian people and all the people of Calgary who really understood how important this event for the Muslims of Calgary. So I want to thank every Calgarian for understanding this and being part of it, and all the supportive for the Muslim community during this pandemic time. So this is where the community come together. Thank you guys. I'm gonna keep it quiet and let him, whenever the time is ready to go. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, wow. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. حي على الصلاة. حي على الصلاة. حي على الفلاح. حي على الفلاح. الله أكبر، الله
لا إله إلا الله. الصلاة والسلام عليك وعلى آلك وأصحابك أجمعين.
ماشاءالله, ماشاءالله, jazakallah kul khair. Wow, I never seen you doing this before. Mashaallah. Thanks for doing a great work, for serving the country and serving the community. Thanks, officer.
It's an honor to do this.
Oh my goodness, this is lovely, guys.